I just did this whole photo there in my hair. I just walked, it was completely covered. There was nothing showing. And I just stuck my paws down here and started digging around, and sure enough, this popped out. Because when I walked this way, it felt kind of spongy. I thought there might be something under my feet. This is old. I mean, it's older than the stuff we've been finding. It's a screw top bottle. It's got some embellishment up here on the neck of it. I don't know what that is, though. It had a label on it. You could tell where it had a label. It's older than the stuff we've been finding, so what the hell? Is that something? Kind of looks like it. Doubt it, that was kind of thick right there. Might be a faker. It's cool anyway. It's kind of neat. Atlanta, Georgia. Ah. Good. That's been here a long time. It's been here a long time. Sure enough. It's perfect food. Can you see Atlanta, Georgia? Can you see that? Mm-hmm. I like it. It's not really, really old, but I like it. I mean, it's old enough. Okay, I was coming through this washout and I found this wine bottle. It's not old or anything, but I thought it was kind of cool. It's still got the lid on it, and you can decorate that. And then cat litter bucket. These little buckets always come in handy, especially on bottle hunt. But look at this. Right here, do you see it? Do you see it? Right here. This is the kind of stuff I'm looking for right here. I hope it ain't broken or nothing. Look at that. Oh, Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper. Oh, Dr. Pepper bottle right there. No telling how many years it's been there. You know, this rain and flooding we've been having is just kind of exposed it. Ain't no telling what's under us. But I like that. I like that. See another little bottle right here, but I'm thinking it's a beer bottle. You see it? You gotta look real closely for these things. You miss them. You miss the good stuff. Yeah, that's a beer bottle. I'm gonna leave it. Leave it there for the next generation. But we run our way out, so just never forget to look, even on your way out. See ya. Alright folks, I think we're going to wrap it up. Had a good day. I'm proud of my finds. I really am. If anything, at least we're removing trash from the environment. I mean, that might not be special
those bottles might not be special to anybody but me, but I enjoy it, and it relieves stress, and I get to be out with my daughter in the woods, and I thoroughly enjoy doing this, and I hope you can find some pleasure in it too. I know people do this for money sometimes. They're looking for nice arrowheads or the really old bottle dumps, and they do 15 feet in the ground and they find something that's worth money. But this is just fun. This is a hobby of mine. I enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy these videos. And we'll be back next time on Dixie Treks.
See ya.